Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you about Quick Access Toolbar shortcuts. Let's get started. The Quick Access Toolbar is a convenient place to add your favorite commands because they will always stay visible no matter where you are on the ribbon. But there's another reason to use it that not everyone knows about. Every command in the Quick Access Toolbar gets its own keyboard shortcut, putting them literally at your fingertips. To get the most out of a shortcut, you should first add one or more commands that you use frequently. You can add any commands that are on the ribbon. Here's how. Open the Sort and Filter menu. Right-click the Sort A to Z option. Select Add to Quick Access Toolbar. You can see that it has added our command here. Now, the shortcut is going to be Alt followed by a number. When you press the Alt key, you can actually see the number associated with each command. Since the sort command is number 6, the shortcut is Alt 6. This will sort based on whichever column you have selected. So try adding some of your favorite commands to the Quick Access Toolbar to take advantage of these shortcuts. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.